I'm watching your show because I'm trying to learn about YouTube.
You're very good at what you do.
And don't worry, this isn't the outdated and obvious tips that you already know. We're gonna be getting into the practical stuff that you could use immediately. The next tip is to test macro, then micro. So YouTube recently launched a thumbnail testing tool, and there's a really clever way to use it that few creators have caught on to. So quick background, this thumbnail testing tool is a relatively new feature where you can upload 3 thumbnail variations, and here's an example from a Casey Neistat interview. And basically YouTube shows those 3 variations to different segments of viewers. And after a few days, it selects a winning thumbnail based on which one drives the most watch time to your video. And no surprise, but MrBeast is using this tool in a really creative way that few others are. During our interview, he broke down his step-by-step process on his Protect the Yacht video. Step 1 is he uploaded 3 thumbnails with macro, big changes, like the angle of the shot, his face, the different items from the gun, the clothing, the bomb. Step 2, he let YouTube select the best performing thumbnail after a few days, simple. Step 3, he then made micro changes to the winning thumbnail, like a different shirt or a person on the boat, like very small. And then step 4, he typically will continue to make micro changes until the test results aren't that different. Ryan Trahan did the same with this video. I tested 1-star hotels. Like first, he had macro variations, text, shirt, composition. Then after YouTube selected the best performing one, he made micro changes just to the text. Everything else stayed the same. A lot of times these creators will run tests like this for months, but I know not everyone has the team or the time to do that. So just try to run at least 2 thumbnail tests to squeeze as much juice out of your video. First macro changes, then micro, continue until you see a clear winner, and then move on to your next video.